Introducing the GK150MA, the 6-inch wall-through exhaust fan. The kit includes everything you need to effectively and efficiently ventilate a space. This fan has 176 CFM and is recommended for spaces up to 160 square feet. Quietly exhausts gases, fumes, dust, odors, vapors, and other harmful substances, all of which can pose significant risks to human health. The MA wall-through exhaust ventilator kit comes with an external grille, an adjustable duct, and the fan itself, all made from a rugged plastic. The adjustable duct can be cut down to accommodate for smaller walls. The MA fan comes with integrated automatic shutters that open and close when the fan is on and off. Installation is simple, featuring a plug-and-play design. The fan can also be hardwired if desired. For more information or support, please feel free to give us a call at 888-640-0925 or email us at support@vents-us.com. Visit our website at www.vents-us.com.